What's up, you guys? Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and I'm here at Cambridge by Eastwood Homes here in Flowery Branch. And there are 130 lots here. About 60% have sold, so there's still some opportunities. And what I like about these homes is they really look custom made with a lot of their standard features as upgraded features if you were to compare to other builders. You got to check these homes out. And if you need an agent to represent you on the buyer side, whether it's this new construction community or anywhere here in Metro Atlanta, I'm your guy. Guys, check out this neighborhood. I think you guys are gonna like it. Okay, as mentioned before, this is Cambridge, the new construction in Flowery Branch. And I tell you, this is an awesome community for several reasons. Probably the biggest one I want to tell you is this. It's fully customizable, as with several other builders, but I would say the amount of features you can choose from with this one is absolutely stunning. It's incredible, and we're going to get into that in a minute, but just some basic details. Again, this is a 130 lot subdivision. About 60% have been sold, so you still got some opportunities. As far as securing a contract on this, basically you have to put down earnest money, which is $7,500, and then a signed contract with a pre-approval letter from a lender. If you're looking at a pre-sale lot, which is one where you could choose which type of floor plan you want, not one that's already being built, then the earnest money is a little bit more for that. It's $10,000. Now, as far as amenities, you've got a little playground and you've got a swimming pool, so you can enjoy that on a hot day during the summer. And the HOA fees to cover that, as well as the common area, is $675 a year. Other benefits that are great about Cambridge is the location. You're 10 minutes away from the Braselton Medical Center and about 8 minutes away from Lake Lanier. Some very cool spots that you could check out, and as well as healthcare provision, that is also on the list as a check mark. So, as I was mentioning about the different features or design options that you could choose from that make Cambridge really stand out from other builders, which, by the way, the builder is Eastwood Homes. They're a smaller builder and they're not very renowned, but they have an awesome product. And you could tell there's a lot of customized features. It looks like a custom home in a lot of ways when you walk in, as you could see through the video of one of their homes that is for sale. And so some of these options you're asking, what are they, Tim? Well, you've got different things such as a bonus room, a guest suite, a sunroom, luxury primary shower, a 5-piece primary bath, a luxury primary bath, different types of showers with different seats or options that you could put as far as the tile. You can even go with a finished basement, which is pretty amazing because there's hardly any of those available as far as builders building that have that option. You got tray ceilings in the different rooms of the foyer, dining room, primary bedroom, and so forth. Different size concrete patios that you could choose from. Different types of fireplaces, different types of deck stairs, and fireplaces with types of mantles. I mean, it's endless, the types of things that you could choose from. Now, as far as floor plans, square footage, and pricing, which I know is the next thing you want to know about, here is the information. You've got all kinds of floor plans: the Avery, Caldwell, Raleigh, Cypress, Davidson, Hamilton, Colfax. A lot of people like the Colfax because it is the biggest floor plan, and the other one that the price is a bit less, but you feel like it's still just as big, is the Davidson, is their second popular one. So you got other floor plans like the Avery, which starts at the smallest amount of square feet of 1,829 and a price of 444,900. It's a ranch style floor plan. That's why it's smaller. So one story, and again, not every builder has one story. Some people like it, especially seniors. So this is a good option. They've got these available for sale. But again, their best one that they are very popular as far as selling is the Colfax. It's got 3,226 square feet, priced at $524,900, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. You've got many other extra rooms, such as an office and a tandem garage, which that is probably one of the coolest things I have not seen in a house. I've been in real estate for 8 years, and I think this is the first time I've seen that. And you're like, what is that? Well, basically, instead of having a 3-car garage, it's a 2-car garage but with that extra space to park another car in the back if you wanted to. You also have options with a loft and an expansive owner suite, a very big master bedroom on the second floor. Now, like a lot of new construction, you can go with their preferred lender, and their preferred lender is Southeast Mortgage, as well as Wells Fargo, New American Funding, Fifth Third Bank, and you get a $5,000 closing cost incentive with the lender. It's not a bad idea to go with an outside lender, see if they can match the credit and give you a lower interest rate. So that's also an option. Speaking of which, if you're wanting to know more about the process, be sure to check the links out above for the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home in Georgia, parts 1 and 2. I go into extreme depth on how to do that. And guys, the reason why I provide this information is because I hope to work with you. If you're looking to buy a new construction home, give me a call. I represent buyers on new construction purchases, and it's only a gain to you, not a loss, because you don't pay me my commission. It's actually coming from the builder's broker, and you're getting all of the guidance from me. And again, check out those 2 videos. You're gonna be really happy to see them and know and understand the process of buying new construction.